Hi, welcome to Pastor Capture. Got Mary Rochelle with us from Princia. Good afternoon, my friend. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
So let's start at the beginning. Why'd you start this cause?
Yeah, so I'm really interested in astronomy. And so I've always liked to use my telescope to kind of look up at the stars. And living in such an urban area in Northern Virginia, where there's often a lot of bright lights, I realized that it wasn't really possible to get a good view of the stars because of light pollution. And then, in addition to that, during the pandemic, my aunt is a nurse who worked long nighttime shifts, and she was diagnosed with breast cancer. And what I realized was this was an issue that was prevalent in nighttime workers. And that's because of the disrupted circadian rhythms that are caused by light pollution and having these lights on throughout the entire night. And so, based on that, I realized that light pollution isn't just something that affects our view of the stars, but it also has a profound impact on health, human health, on the environment. And that's why I wanted to do something about it. And that's what led me to found Princia.
Wow, it's amazing. So tell us about what actions are you doing now?
Yeah, so Princia is pursuing this issue from a multitude of fronts. So one of the things we're doing is we're conducting research on light pollution. So we've published multiple research papers on it. And then we're also trying to get new policies out. So we're working with legislators in 8 states right now. And we're trying to get legislation that increases awareness of the issue and does other stuff to kind of make light pollution an issue that's much more well known. And then simultaneously, we're also trying to reach as many people as possible. I've spoken at the United Nations about the issue as well. So we're really trying to get awareness of this out to as many people as possible.
That's amazing. So what's been the response? How have people taken this information?
Yeah, so really what we get when we tell people about light pollution is most people haven't really heard about it.
Yeah,
They don't know that like turning on the lights at night or um, just having excessive lights on causes that much harm to the environment and to wildlife. And so when we tell them about it, when we start showing them these statistics about how harmful it actually is, they're really like awed about what's happening and they really want to do something about it.
makes sense. So crystal ball time. What are we hoping to accomplish in the future? What's the ultimate goal here?
Yeah, so the goal is really to kind of reduce light pollution across the nation and across the globe. And so one of the major steps to do that is through policy and through legislation. So as I said, we've been working with multiple states on the issue and on limiting light pollution. And so our goal is to try to get laws passed starting in late 2025, early 2026, and work our ways from there on the policy aspect, as well as just try to make sure that every household is aware of the issue and is doing whatever they can to help prevent it.
Awesome. So what's the best way for people to reach out to you if they want to learn more and get involved?
Yeah, so our website is princia.org. And so we have a lot of good resources about how you can get involved, and also how you can join our organization. So that's the best way to reach out to us.
Awesome. I appreciate you taking a few minutes to call into the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
Yep, thank you.